warm welcome to our Privacy Bites on DPDP. And today I have with me Priya Gora. Let's check how is her journey on DPDPA. So Priya, you have been a global organization, maybe complying with multiple regulations. How is the DPDPA journey looking for you?
I think first, it's pleasure talking to you always, to be very honest. I think law is simple. When I look at DPDPA, it's not that complex, to be very honest. The people, the way they are perceiving it, it's still a lot better, but it's important to see it act and rule together. But I think what in India, what most of the people don't understand is there, apart from technology, people, process, and culture, there's a social element to it.
Right.
And that's how everybody has to know privacy. It is not a corporate setup where, everybody knows at least some basics of security, protection, and aspects of it. But when it comes to really as a gamut of the country large, we have the social element does play. So it is important to have that right awareness, culture, not in organization, but beyond it. Everybody knowing what privacy is. And I think, to be very honest, DPDP has done a good act on that. Good. It has made it pretty simple. Some aspects are not greatly identified because we have to kind of keep in mind that it's a big country with a lot of social elements to it. But training is what I suggest, that at least it's not limited to corporate. Everybody should be aware about it.
Absolutely. So much agree with you on that, Priya. Priya, just tell me, how do you see organizations adopting DPDPA? Is it just that they're taking up technology, or they're just starting building policies, procedures? What is the major focus of organizations these days when they want to start the first step? What is that they're doing?
I think there is a bucketization in here. Some have already started long back with GDPR and all them. They are still at a very better position because they understand the gamut and the language. But the organization has started on this journey and they were waiting for rules. Yes, because now they are evaluating cost of compliance, what is going to be there for us. And then we have to remember from the volume of data our country is having.
Right.
In a digital world today. So it is important to look at the aspects of, for example, we often talk about privacy, enabled technology. But whenever we look at privacy, you can't silos it. You have to look at the technology part of it. You have to look at the process side of it, and you have to look at culture and awareness side of it.
Absolutely. So it has to be a holistic approach.
It has to be a holistic.
That organization should be looking
Absolutely.
at, right? And definitely, as you said, budgeting is something that organizations have started doing for privacy compliance. And I suppose this is something organizations would love to comply as soon as possible because it's just 18 months. But the journey is going to be tough, right? The journey and the road is going to be tough, right? They are fantastic talking to you, Priya.
Same here. Pleasure talking to you.
It was pleasure having you.
Thank you.
I hope these privacy bites are helpful for people in privacy. Hope you take good out of it.